All right, here's the director's cut of how to make a classic Bloody Mary. You need, of course, the lime and lemon, vodka, tomato juice, Tabasco, horseradish, Worcestershire. I can't, man. You're going too fast, man. How about the banana? Okay, we start with celery salt. Put that on the old plate of Rinsky. Get it a good whirl. And then we put the lime around there. We lime that baby up, and then you see what you do. You know how to do this. Get that celery salt all good and gooey, and then let's get it on the rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we meet the partners, lemon and lime. Get them all juiced up. Just chuck them in there. Get them in there. Don't be bashful. There you go. Oh, don't forget about the good stuff. Absolutely. Says 2 ounces. And you want to make sure you get every single drop. And 4 ounces of the tomato juice. That's what you say. Let's put a couple of dashes of Tabasco in there, followed by a teaspoon of horseradish. And we got the Worcestershire. That's a couple of dashes. Back to the celery salt. Always popular. Just do a quick little hand dash of that. Some fresh ground pepper for you, ma'am. And then some paprika. Smoked paprika. Don't forget to ice it up. Love on the rocks. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Sweet olives. And there's your Bloody Mary. For a nice Sunday morning. Ta-da! Oh, that's horrible.